Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is about Vethor Token. Now since my last video we've made some positive and negative progress. Positive in news about VeChain technology and negative in Vethor price. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer please. I'm not a financial advisor and the analysis and suggestions in this video are based on my personal research and opinion. Please do your own research before investing in Vtho. Alrighty, let's start by looking at the latest news and scoop about VeChain. Now, as all of you know, Vethor tokens belong to VeChain and act as a fuel to VeChain transactions. Therefore, VeChain news is very important for Vethor token. So if we look at the latest news, VeChain has recently announced on the 11th of April that the Salesforce Director of Strategy and Architecture successfully tested enterprise adoption ideas on VeChainThor. Now, for those people who don't know who Salesforce is, let me explain. Salesforce is the #1 CRM system in the world at the moment, and they have a net valuation of $55 billion. Now, such a company testing VeChain technology is an amazing news for VeChain company itself and the VeChain lovers. Imagine when Salesforce comes on board completely, how many other retail investors are going to be interested in adopting VeChain technology. So that is a great news since April 11th. Now, the second news about VeChainThor was last week or a couple of weeks ago. VeChain development team raised a survey asking all the community members to give an estimate of how much reduction they should be making in Vethor token, Vethor gas price. And majority of the community members mentioned that they should reduce 99% of the gas fees. Now, they have implemented the transaction cost reduction, which has now been reduced by 99%. Now, to some of the VeChain or Vethor investors, this may seem a very bad news. Let me explain. We're not looking at the bigger picture here, guys. If we look at the transaction fee going down, that means that there will be more transactions occurring on the VeChain network because of the low gas fee. And that will then bring mass adoption of other retailers, and they are going to come aboard by this low transaction fee, and they're going to start adopting VeChain technology. And once we get more investors and more retail partnerships happening with VeChain, that will increase VET token's price. Now, you guys know that when VET token goes up in price, Vethor token goes up in price too, because Vethor token is the fuel behind this transaction, and you need the fuel to fly a rocket or run a car. Therefore, it is my personal opinion that when VET price goes up because of all these mass partnerships that are yet to come, the price of Vethor token will grow tremendously and very quickly. So that is good news, guys. Do not take this news negatively. Now, let's analyze the price of Vethor token. In the past 24 hours, we are down 3.6%. Now, to people who are currently invested in Vethor token, they may think they're losing money. They may think that Vethor token is in the red and people are selling. But let's look at some numbers and see if that is really true. When you're invested in cryptocurrency, especially in such a great project like VeChain, you never look at the small picture. You always look at the broader picture. So if you're only concentrating on the 24-hour chart, you will see that we're in the reds. But let's get out of the 24-hour chart and look at the 7-day chart. and you will see we are still up 1.6%. Okay, that's not a lot of increase, but it's still better than going in the reds. If you look at the 14-day chart, you'll see we're down 14.5%. Okay, well, we're back again to the negatives, but keep in mind in those 14 days, we had made significant price rise. So let's go to the next one, which means 30 days. We are up 160% in price in the last 30 days. And in 1 year, we're up 4,900%. Do you guys not think there was going to be a price correction at some point? I do. Which is why you're seeing a little bit of reds here. But no need to panic. You always look at the bigger picture. If you're down in reds, never sell, guys. You never sell when you are in red. You always buy when the price is down, and you always sell when the price is up. Now, the current market cap of Vethor token is a mere $529 million. That is not a lot of market cap when it comes to other cryptocurrencies, which do not even have a real potential, or they don't have a real case use in the market, whereas VeChain and Vethor token have a real use case. So $529 million is of market cap is nothing. We can expect a huge increase in this market cap. The trading volume for Vethor token for the day was the trading volume was $64 million, which is still a healthy trading volume. So people are investing in Vethor tokens, whether they're buying and selling, but there is definitely a huge demand. There's a high liquidity for Vethor token. If we look at the market cap rank, we are at 139. Number 139. So that was sitting at 128 last week when I made my previous video. So we have gone down in the market ranking, which is okay. I mean, we're always going to go up and down. That's how crypto works. So nothing to be scared of there. If we look at the current price, it's sitting at 0.015. Now, once again, down 3.8% today, down 14.5% in the last 14 days. From here, where do I see Vethor token go? Now, my price prediction based on the analysis, and I'm not going to show you some fancy charts. What I'm going to show you instead is how much transaction is currently happening and how much people are buying and how many people are actually buying Vethor tokens. Now, I like to see the day view of trading, but I also like to see the trading view of every minute. Now, you do see that people are continuously buying and selling Vethor token. Whether it goes up or down in price a little bit, that we're not concerned with at the moment, because that price change is very little as compared to what we have achieved in the last 1 to 2 months in price. So there will be a little bit of price correction. Do not panic there, guys. Now, if you look at the market health and what people think about Vethor token, let's have a look at and click on this doodle here. We're going to call it good. And you see that at the moment, 100% of the people who actually are interested in the Vethor token or are thinking about investing in Vethor token, they are quite confident about Vethor. So we're currently seeing it 100% in CoinMarketCap. If you look at CoinGecko, we're sitting at 84%. My personal opinion, I always take the average of CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So you could ideally say that, the confidence level of people who have invested or who are interested in investing in Vethor token, there's a 90% positivity going around there. My price prediction at the end, guys, I am expecting for Vethor token to bounce back to 0.02 by the end of this week, actually. And then by mid to end May, I am expecting Vethor token to cross 0.03. So in the next 1 month to 1.5 months, I'm expecting 100% return on Vethor price as of today. And that would make the market cap go up to $1 billion, which is still very low when you compare the market cap of Vethor token to VeChain, which is $11 billion. So my price prediction, I'm going to keep the price prediction very limited for you guys for now. I'm not going to promise analyzing, saying it's going to give you 100x gains for now. I know it will in future, but let's start looking at Vethor token on a week-to-week basis so that we could have some realistic targets. So my goal, my target for the next month, anywhere from tomorrow to the next month, is Vethor token going all the way up to 0.03, which means doubling in price. That is all for today, guys. If you like my video, please do like the like button and hit the subscribe button so that I can bring you some more videos. I am trying to invest more and more time getting these videos out to you. So please click on that subscribe button.